Might have left it on the sofa.
Shh, shh, shh. I'm Whisper. I can talk to you.
Little small. Good and cold, though. It'll do. Hello, I'm Barry.
What are you doing in the fridge, Barry?
I'm moving in. I need somewhere else to live. I can't stay with him.
Can't stay with who?
My so-called friend, Polar Bert. He promised me a Polar Bear Day surprise. Do you know what he gave me?
What?
Nothing. That's what. And I am not going back until he says sorry.
Maybe I can help. Step back and don't close your eyes. Shh. Eyes closed tight. Whisper's coming to make things right. Polar Bert!
Whisper, I expect you've come to tell me that Barry is very sorry.
No.